Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. I am your maths teacher, Ms. Hina Naqvi from the VNL Public School and Intermediate College. Hope you all are safe and healthy. Welcome to lecture number 14. Before we begin the lecture, please keep the following items with you: pencil, razor, Oxford Countdown Book 1, 3rd edition, and school diary to note down the homework. In the previous lecture, lecture number 13, we had learned about ordinal numbers and addition. Hope you have practiced them and have full command on these two topics. And I am sure now you can differentiate between regular numbers and ordinal numbers. Repeat it with me, the regular counting. Let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And now ordinal numbers. Repeat it with me. First, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth, 10th. Very good. I know you enjoy doing addition. Last time we learned how to add two numbers using different methods. You can count on your fingers or draw lines or any object you like. Now today our topic is addition word problems. Let's use what we have learned in addition to solve these word problems. These word problems give us some information and then ask us to find the solution. We have to understand it clearly and then find out the answer. Question number 1, part B. Saima buys 10 chocolates and 7 cupcakes. How many sweets does she buy altogether? We have two things to be noted in this word problem: 10 chocolates and 7 cupcakes. 10 chocolates and 7 cupcakes. We will write them in vertical form and then add them. I hope you understand the word problem. साइमा ने 10 चॉकलेट और 7 कपकेक्स खरीदे. अब आपने बताना है कि उसने टोटल कितनी स्वीट्स खरीदी. You can see a box with the word problem. There is a sign of plus. First, we will write tens and ones on the top. Then we will write 10 chocolates. Then we will write 10 chocolates. How we will write it? In the number 10, 1 is tens and 0 is ones. So we will write 1 in the tens column and 0 in the ones column. The second thing is 7 cupcakes. 7 cupcakes. 7 is a single digit. ये एक अकेला number है. So it will go in ones column. We will now draw 10 chocolates. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 chocolates. And now we will draw 7 cupcakes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 cupcakes. Now add them all together. Add them all together. Now count it with me. Add with me. Let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. The answer is 17. So she buys 17 sweets altogether. Be careful about your columns. In the answer 17, 1 should be in tens column and 7 should be in ones column. Now let's do part C. The word problem is 8 boys and 5 girls go on a school picnic. How many children are there altogether? 8 boys and 5 girls go on a school picnic. How many children are there altogether? We have two numbers in this word problem. 8 boys and 5 girls. And you have to add them to tell the total number of children. First we will write tens and ones on the top. Then there are 8 boys. So we will write 8. Where should we write it? Under tens or ones? Yes, you are right. It's a single number. It's a single digit. So it will go in ones column. The other number is 5 girls. The other number is 5 girls. We will write 5 in ones column again. Now let's count 8 boys. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 boys. 8 boys. And now let's count 5 girls. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 girls. Now let's add them together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Yes, they are 13 in total. So we will write 13 children. Again be careful, 1 goes in the tens column and 3 goes in the ones column. Now let's look at part D. The word problem is 12 dogs and 4 cats are playing in the park. 12 dogs and 4 cats are playing in the park. How many animals are there altogether? You can see in this word problem that we have to add 12 dogs and 4 cats. इस word problem में आपने 12 dogs में 4 cats को add करना है और फिर हमें उसका आंसर मिलेगा. First we will write tens and ones. For 12 dogs we will write 1 in tens column and 2 in ones column. The other number is 4 cats. The other number is 4 cats. Where will we write it? In tens column or ones column? Good. You have told the correct answer. We will write it in ones column. How many dogs do we need to count? 12 dogs. 12 dogs. So count them with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 dogs. Now cats. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 cats. Count them all together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Yes, they are 16 in number. So we will write 16 animals all together. Now let's do part E. The word problem is Sameer eats 3 buns and Imran eats 11 buns. How many buns are eaten altogether? Sameer eats 3 buns and Imran eats 11 buns. We have to figure out that how many buns are eaten altogether. We will write these numbers in vertical form and then add them. First of all, we will write tens and ones on the top. Sameer ate 3 buns. So we will write 3 in ones column and Imran ate 11 buns. We will write the first one in tens column and the second one in ones column. Now we have to add these buns. 3 buns, 1, 2, 3. Then 11 buns. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and 11 buns. Count them together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Yes, there are 14 buns altogether. Now open your diaries and please note down the homework. Lecture number 14, page 59, question number 1, complete part A. ये आपकी word problem है, इस vertical form में question बना हुआ है. You only have to add it. आपने इसको add करके इसका नीचे answer लिखना है. Page number 157, 158, 159, 160. This is your regular counting. Do it very neatly. Hope you enjoyed solving these addition word problems and they are no longer a problem for you. We will meet again for lecture number 15. Till then, Khuda Hafiz.